Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Northpoint Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com, and in the Google search bar search for Northpoint Bank mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the login portal of Northpoint Bank. You can see that if you are a returning user, you can go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Northpoint Bank mortgage account. And if in case you are a new user, click get started and register yourself into Northpoint Mortgage Bank. Now, if you want to hide or unhide your password, click this link or this button over here. And if you want your browser to remember your email, you can enable the remember email button, and then the next time you log in, you must not write down your email address. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click this link and you can create an account for yourself as well. And if you have problems about password, click on this link and you can recover your password once again. This was a video on how you can log into your Northpoint mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.